Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. I have something to show you today that I am honestly very excited about because it's one of my favorite products we offer. We're going to unbox and explore the ASTRO A50 by Logitech G, and as you can see, I have the Xbox model. First, let's have a look at the packaging, as this is a serious beast. We open up the side of the packaging and the interior slides out. We have some great graphic detail on the outside. Check that out. And once we open it up, we see the headset itself. I'm a big fan of this headset. It feels substantial without feeling too heavy. Nice ear cups, 40mm drivers that deliver great low end, and I'm a big fan of the rails for adjusting the height of the headband. And it's generously spaced to fit a lot of different head sizes and shapes. My favorite feature is when you flip the mic up out of the way, it mutes the mic. It's nice to know my mic isn't hot when I occasionally lose. The A50s feature ASTRO Audio V2, and that tech provides exceptional audio performance. The soundstage is amazing, and the audio is very directional, which I find gives me a bit of an edge. The headset also supports Dolby Atmos for positional and immersive audio, and a great movie watching experience. Going further into the packaging, we have an optical cable for optical audio connection, and the rest is underneath the plastic here, so let's get that out of the way. Under that, we find a package of documentation and product information, which we don't need to get into today, so we'll set that aside. We have a USB connection cable, and lastly, we have the base station. Now for the peel. So satisfying. The base station acts as the charging platform and wireless transceiver. It's nicely weighted, not too heavy, but substantial enough to stay where you put it. The headset attaches to the base station with magnets which hold it securely, but not so firmly that it's difficult to grab it and go. The base station provides 49 feet of wireless range, and with a full charge you get substantial battery life of over 15 hours on the headset. The A50 has become a constant staple on my desk. It's nice to know it's always on its base station, charged, and ready to go. In another set of videos, we'll cover connecting the A50 to your PC or console. But that's all the time I have for you today. Thank you for exploring this product with me, and I will see you next time.